Now, another thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to install Windows 11 24H2 on this processor. Okay, on this processor, on Core 2 Quad. Let's see if this will work, guys. I don't think it will work, but yeah, I know it will not work. I mean, I didn't test it before. I'm going to test right now with you. Yes, for sure. Look what I have here. I have Dell Optiplex. Look, Dell Optiplex 780, and this is really old computer. It was supercomputer, it was super good before, but now it's really old. And this computer have Core 2 Duo processor. Hello friends, welcome on this video. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to run Windows 11 on your old computer that does not support SSE 4.2 and in the same time POPCNT. Okay, so in Core 2 Duo processor you are not able to install Windows 11 24H2. Today I'm going to show you how to run Windows 11 on this old stuff. The best version of Windows 11. One method is upgrading to Windows 11 from Windows 10. The easiest method, and what to do exactly on your BIOS and everything. I will cover all scenarios. I don't want you guys to face any errors or something like this. How to do clean install and which version of Windows is the best for clean install on this situation. And also I'm going to upgrade the RAM on this computer. From 8GB I will make it 16GB. I will change the processor. The latest processor that's supported by this computer is Core 2 Quad, the last generation for this computer. You need also an SSD drive. I'm going to do the best for this, okay, with $50. I bought all of this stuff to make this old computer on the best performance on its own generation, okay? Let's see the performance, let's see everything, okay? So let's continue. So here we are on this Dell Optiplex, guys. Let me show you real quick. Go to properties and see my desktop here, 2.9 processor, 8GB RAM, Windows 10 Pro, Core 2 Duo processor, E7500, so 2.9 GHz, slow. Let me show you how many RAM it's using. Look, my OBS Studio is taking a lot of GPU, 8GB memory. First thing I'm going to do is I will check and show you guys that this processor does not have SSE 4.2, okay? So now what I'm going to do, download cpuz, okay, search on Google, cpuz. So you see guys, the CPU here, SSE 4.1 is the latest one, okay? For this, does not support SSE 4.2, that's the point. This processor, Core 2 Duo, E7500, 2.9 GHz. It's not working with 24H2 of Windows 11. Okay. Now, guys, as I told you, it's not good to install it. If you are able to install, okay, using this method, you can install it, but after you restart the computer, you will end up on the loop. Okay. I'm showing on the video. I did and I tried many times. I have a lot of videos for this. I recorded many times. I did a lot of trying. But Microsoft decided to stop this. Get ready for Windows Update, check your hardware, download PCL check, and then you can see. Continue watching the video, guys, because I will cover everything today. Go click and check here. Now look, this PC must support secure boot, but more about enabling secure boot. I don't have TPM 2.0, secure boot needs to be enabled. The processor isn't currently supported. All. So guys, we need to install Windows 11, the version that will work great with our computer. It's not 24H2, but it's 23H2. So now how to get it? 23H2. If you go here and search for this media creation tool, Aveyo, this guy did great job. Yes, I'm going to download this. Here it is, the tool. With this tool, it's important. I'm extracting. No need WinRAR for the moment. Here it is. Right click on this tool and run as administrator. So what does this tool do is detect what language do you have on your computer and what Windows do you have, and it will download exactly that version of Windows that you need. I mean, you need this. It's because they will give you the latest one, but to make Microsoft to give you the version that you need, this tool exactly for this, and I need Windows 11 23H2, you have to click which version here. I need this auto ISO file. Now this tool will communicate directly with Microsoft and it's allowed, and then it will download media creation tool and it will create our ISO directly from Microsoft. Now it's preparing Windows 23H2, communicating with Microsoft. Look at this, download from Microsoft. No other sources, it's completely official. Look, downloaded from Microsoft. And this update, it's on the Microsoft catalog. Now here it is, getting few things ready. It's preparing the setup for us. It's downloading the ISO file and it's exactly for our computer. You need the language, okay? I mean, if you are on other English like Canada or United Kingdom, this tool is really good because it will prepare, it will see what language do you have on your Windows 10 and it will extract exactly that version, okay? We have two methods to install. We have Rufus that you can prepare your USB. You can perform clean install if you want, and I'm going to show you how to perform clean install later, but I'm going to upgrade from Windows 10 to the best Windows 11 for this computer for the best performance, okay? Now, after I'm downloading this, I need also 7-zip. We need 7-zip. I'm going to extract the ISO file because when I use mount, it will slow down the installing and there are a lot of problems with mount the drive, okay? That's the reason why I'm going to extract the ISO file. Okay, now 7-zip is installed. We are waiting for the image to be ready. Okay, see, done. Press any key to exit. Okay, where is the ISO? Is here. Oh, look at this. It's inside the folder. I will bring it here. Okay, now I have here my ISO file. I will extract it here on my desktop because I need to run with command directly from my desktop, guys. Okay, after extracting the Windows 11 23H2 is here on my desktop. Open up the folder and go to sources, and here on the sources, scroll down. We have this setup prep, okay? Now, what you are going to do, open up CMD. So you already know now from my earlier video. Let's try this method. Run as administrator, okay? Right click. Yes, good. Now, I will copy this path here at the top. I will type CD here on command prompt, right click. Directly it will paste automatically, enter. I'm here on the sources, guys. Now what I'm going to do, as you already know, start typing this setup prep.exe / see the command here on my post product / server. Wait, click enter. And then now you will see the setup. It started automatically. Change house setup. I don't need any download, not right now. Okay, click this. Okay, it's really important. Check your system. So I didn't do any changes for the moment. The BIOS is by default. My disk drive is in NBR and it's not in GPT. Let's try and let's see if this will work. Okay, click accept. I'm upgrading. Okay. Keep files and settings, yes, for sure. Click next, and it will start installing. Ready to install, yes, yes, yes. Keep and install, click install. Okay, it's installing Windows 11. It's saying Windows Server, but it's not Windows Server. We are waiting for the restart. Okay. I didn't touch anything for a moment, so here, guys, it didn't require me to change anything on BIOS, but let's see, let's finish upgrading and let's see after that if it will require me anything to change on BIOS. Okay, I told you that I will upgrade the processor and I will upgrade the RAM. I put the SSD already because I don't want to stay forever here to install, because in the hard drive, it's super slow. You have to replace your hard drive with an SSD drive. I did another video tutorial for that, how to do it. If you want to clone your system from hard drive to SSD drive, watch the other video tutorial that I did for this topic. Let me put it here I will put it in the description. At the top you will see an info button. If you are able to put an M.2 drive on this old stuff, it will be great. So here it is. If you want to have an adapter, you can try find this adapter. I will put the link on the description. Well, this is for 2 NVMe. I have my NVMe. Yeah, put this on your computer, and you have to do the configuration in the BIOS for this. In the video tutorial that I did for this topic, I explain everything, so go ahead and watch it. But for the moment, to do this process on a SSD drive, put this SSD on your computer, it will be faster. Look, it's working for updates on 74%. Hey guys, tips to fix Optiplex. Welcome. We didn't change anything on BIOS, guys. Hi. Wait. Are you ready? Let's see the performance. Here we are. Let me screen record now, guys, because maybe you wanted to see more details here. So I upgrade this Optiplex. You see the processor is E7500. Check for updates. If we have any new update. I think it's working faster than Windows 10. This is how it looks in my opinion. Okay, here it is. Security updates, ready to install. You see the processor, 93% because I'm screen recording. And Windows is getting updates. And it's downloading these updates. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the processor. I'm going to change my processor now. I will put this Core 2 Quad processor. My computer will be faster, I think. And I will change the RAM from 8 GB, 16 GB. So I will bring it to the maximum. Windows version is 23H2 and is Windows 11 Pro. So another question that I had, does Windows 11 will keep the license from the Windows 10? Yes. If your Windows 10 is already activated, yes, you heard well, it's already activated, then upgrading to Windows 11, it will keep the activation. That's it. But if you search on Google, you will see that 23H2 is faster than 24H2. Okay? Keep it. I like to keep this version. It's the same thing. I mean, after a year, in November, it will end support. But till there, maybe you will change the computer. Till next year, maybe we will find another way. Let's see what Microsoft will do. Maybe Windows 12. Windows 12 will be released. And we are waiting for Windows 12, the newest one, to be released. But what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to upgrade my computer to the latest version. And let's see the performance, okay? CPU is 90%, guys, on updates. I'm not screen recording. Look, remove the screen recording. It's 93% processor. 4.2 GB RAM is already used. Too much, huh? So, only basics. Only downloading. That's it. C drive is copying and GPU is 2%. You see, you need to upgrade the memory, you need to upgrade the processor. Let's put this new processor in my computer right now. Okay. Here it is. Let's press this here. Yes. Yes. Yeah, here it is. Remove the processor. Here it is. If this is not enough, I have some more. Here it is. If you want to change the RAM, make sure they have the same frequency. I have here, every slot is 2 GB. I've changed all of them. They have different frequency, but they are all the same, okay? DDR3, 4 GB for each slot, okay? Let me put it all. Okay, ready? Let's turn on. Here we are. Okay. Good. We put a lot of gigabyte RAM, but yeah. And you will see a warning or something like this. Just click F1 if you see. Updates are under the way because we was updating the Windows. Okay. Now it looks much faster. Hey guys, look, Core 2 Quad, and the version is Q9650 3.0 gigahertz. And the memory is 16 gigabyte now. So see, the processor now is not 90%. In the normal mode, the processor is not more than, look, 30%, 68%, but normally is, yeah, half. Logical processor 4, and we have cores 4, and this is the reason why it's Core 2 Quad. Okay, this is the end of this generation. I mean the maximum, and now the computer will perform better. Now let me try to open up cpuz, because I wanted to see if this processor Core 2 Quad will support SSE 4.2, guys. No, look, it's SSE 4.1. So this processor Core 2 Quad will not support 24H2. But if you want me to upgrade, yes, I will install a little later. But first let me show you how to do a clean install, and after that I will install 24H2. Okay, you have to download Rufus. Here it is, 4.6. Prepare your USB drive with the Windows 11 that you already downloaded in the beginning of the video. Okay, here it is. Now you need a flash drive. I will select the image from my desktop or media creation tool here inside, depends when you put the drive. Here it is. Partition is GPT, but I'm going to change it. I put it on MBR because we are on all stuff and you can't boot up from other methods. Okay, now click start and create the flash drive. Remove requirement for 4 GB RAM, yes, and also it will remove the requirement for secure boot and TPM 2.0, remove the requirement for online Microsoft account, create local account. I like it to create. Set regional options, yes, disable data collection, yes, disable BitLocker, why not? I click all of those, yes, and then I create the flash drive. Everything in the flash drive will be deleted. Okay, now click yes, started. I'm going to show you right now the steps that you have to do if you want to perform clean install. Yes, I told you in this video I'm going to cover every details, and it's ready. The flash drive is ready. I'm going to close. You can restart the computer and try to perform a clean install. Let me show you what to do on BIOS. Now make sure when your computer boot up, F12 to enter to the boot menu. In my case, I'm going to boot up from my USB device. Press enter. Now I'm booting up from my Rufus USB device. I'm just showing you real quick, guys, but if you really want to do it like this, I did another video tutorial for that. Go ahead, watch the other video tutorial, full guide how to clean install Windows 11. Okay, but now I'm just touching a little bit and showing you how to perform it. Okay, on this old computer. Yeah, let me show you the window. So here it is. You can choose the right language, choose the right version of the Windows that you want. You can delete all of these partitions, guys, and then you can perform with clean install. Watch the other video. I'm not going to do the clean install right now, but I just show you how to prepare it. I did another video tutorial for that. Okay, after you install Windows 11 and if you have any problem and your computer is stuck on booting, make sure to go here on BIOS with F2 or delete or escape. Go here on legacy, type legacy mode and click yes, or write auto detect write and AHCI, this one here. Okay, and click OK. If you decide to clean install and you want the cleanest version of Windows ever, So let me share something very cool. So you already prepared the USB drive with Rufus, okay? I don't know if you ever heard about unattended.xml. Unattended.xml is an XML file that you can incorporate here on the USB flash drive. During the installing process, Windows will install itself without any bloatwares, without any default softwares from Microsoft. This is answer files, unattended XML, okay? You can create one, but there is something here that is already created by Mem Tech Tips. Then these guys did really great job 3 days before they did the changes on the file, and now I'm going to download this file. I will incorporate in my setup. I did another video tutorial how it performs and how to install, but let me show you real quick. Go down here and download. I'm going to download this file. So this one, it will be very clean Windows 11, okay? This file I'm going to copy. I will bring it here on the setup file. That's it. Now, when you are going to boot your computer from this flash drive, you will see that during the setup, it will set up Windows 11, the cleanest version, without any software, without any bloatwares, okay? Now, another thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to install Windows 11 24H2 on this processor, okay? On this processor, on Core 2 Quad. Let's see if this will work, guys. I don't think it will work, but yeah, I know it will not work. I mean, I didn't test it before. I'm going to test right now with you. Yes, for sure. So if we see cpuz here, this one is SSE, and now it's first time for me to try on this processor. But I know that you are very curious, and let's go ahead, let's try. Download. Okay, this is Windows 11 24H2. It's updated. Now select the download, multi-edition, download now, choose one, English United States because I already know. Make sure you have the same data and time because will not work. Here it is for 5 minutes. Hey guys, Windows 11 24H2 is here. I'm going to install right now. No, I'm not going to mount. I'm going to extract 7-zip, extract here. Okay, here it is. Sources, setup prep, okay. CMD, run as administrator. Now copy the sources path, CD, right click, and here we are on sources. Setup prep.exe / product server. Here it is. Okay, not now. Next. Accept. Keep files and settings. But this is making sure you have enough space. If you see any error during setup, then what you are going to do, you will cancel it and you have to delete this Windows old, and then in the same time you have to clear temp files. Okay, yeah, if you are on Windows 10, go ahead and search for temp, delete temporary files, and then you have to delete the temporary files, but not now. Now we are ready to install. So I told you we are able to install, but it will not work. I mean, in older processor like Core 2 Duo, but in Core 2 Quad, let's see, here it is. It's the first time for me trying to do this, okay? I didn't see it before, so now I'm like you for the moment. Yes. Okay, here we are. Your PC will restart in a few moments. Now I'm waiting for the restart, guys. Okay. Here, restarting. So now what to do? Okay? Look, here it is. Two or three times. I think it's going back. Let's see. I think it goes back. Or another restart. Wait. It said your computer will restart several times. Another loading. Updates are under the way. It opened up. Let's see now what we have here. Do we have the latest Windows version 24H2 or 23H2? Oh, come on. I'm just curious now. Do you think it works? Another restart? Or not? Here! I told you, it goes back. This error means that you can't install the latest update. Let me show you the version of my Windows. 23H2. Still in 23H2, okay? So guys, now I wanted to know if you already installed it and let me know the performance. So what I need you to do is go to my community tab and answer to my question that I did. I did a post, which Windows is faster for you, and I need to know if it's Windows 10 or Windows 11. So tell me about your processor. I need to know your computer parameters, okay? Write me comment, your processor model, how Giga RAM you have, and how Windows 11 is performing on your old computer, okay? If you want to go back to Windows 10, I did another video tutorial for this. Watch the other video that I did, and another video tutorial that I did is how to speed up your Windows 11 for the best performance. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Don't forget, subscribe my channel. God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.